Oh man, I'm about to eat this shit up. I'm high too. Y'all, this is about to be. First off, what's going on, man? This is your boy Ryan Matt, and I'm about to get down with the mukbang. Got a gyro. Gyro, you know what I'm saying? Like a gyro right there. Fries. And you can't, okay, hold on. And the mozzarella sticks. About to get to it. Check it out. Yeah. Let's see what we got going here. That was ketchup. I'm going to dip it in the marinara sauce. You know, players mess up sometime. It ain't too bad though, but players mess up sometime. Here we go. Oh yeah. You got cheese sauce, ketchup, marinara. Oh, it's about to be a time. I call this the munchie kit. Yeah, man. Yeah. So anyway, talk to me, man. What y'all been doing, man, on this lockdown? You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm over here. I'm in Illinois, so they got us on a little lockdown up here. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what it feels like with the cheese on that though. You ain't doing nothing unless you dipping it with the cheese and the ketchup though. Come on, man. Y'all cats from the hood, y'all supposed to know. Y'all know how y'all get out, you know what I'm saying? I'm from the hood too, man, so we used to dip it like that. Okay. Anyway, I got to rearrange some stuff here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little off track. I'm a little high. That's cool. Dip that a little bit. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, right there. You ain't doing nothing unless you dip it in enough. You know what I'm saying? A little bite, rearrange this. Yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's spread right here. Let's talk about something. The cheese in hand. Dip it up. That's what you do. Watch this joint down, but I ain't gonna tell y'all where it's from. It's from one of the good stores, Pops. You know what I'm saying? They got good eating right there. I think that restaurant was made for the munchies. People that get high with the munchies, yeah. Can't go wrong with washing it down with a good Pepsi. Yeah. Let me see. Here we go. Here we go. Going in for round two. Here we go. Round two. since we've been on lockdown, me and my girl, you know, we been having a lot of fun time, me and the wifey, having a lot of fun time. One day she was getting out the shower, and I came up behind her. I was looking like stalker. Hey, what do we have there, mate? Freshly out the shower, water running down the back. Oh yeah, it's pretty appetizing. Okay, and then without her knowing, got out over from running back. You know what I'm saying? Anyway. Yeah. Round 3, baby. It's so good. I'm sorry, y'all. We was talking about lockdown. I'm high. Forgive me, y'all. I ain't gonna dip it. Should I dip it in there? I dip it in now. Well, I ketchup all on the cheese. I don't mind the cheese all on the ketchup, but the cheese got to be dipped for other things. So I'm gonna dip it from the back. Hold on. Y'all ever did that before? Didn't want to mess up the sauce, like intertwine the sauces. So you dip one with this one, and then dip the back end with this one like that. That way, hey, everybody's separate and you still. Yeah. Man, I wish y'all could have y'all some of this, boy. Man. Pops, man, just Google them. I don't know if y'all got one in your states. But they got the hit on the munchy food. Oh man. You ever had food that was so good that before you ate it, you started doing this? Don't lie, yeah, y'all did that before. Don't lie. Everybody got their little happy food dance. There you go. Dip. Left one. Okay. A little dippage. Okay. Just a tad dip. That's for all y'all that was out there wondering. I wonder if he gonna dip that Gyro or Gyro, however y'all say it. I say Gyro. Tomato, who cares? But wonder if y'all were wondering if I was gonna do that. For the people that, excuse me, for the people that do that with the ketchup, the cheese, and the Gyro meat. Hey, in here in Chicago, hold on. Mm. Mm. Oh man. After this one, I'm gonna have to go and roll up again to get me back up there. Cause that is so hold on. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Oh, marinara sauce, don't think I forgot about you. I see you. Oh my God. Mm. 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 Here we go. Mm. Well, this shit so goddamn fire, boy. It's fire. Here we go. You gotta get. Hey, look, don't act like y'all don't do that. Don't act like I'm the only person. Yeah. You get that little food just stuck up here and back up in here. I know I ain't the only person that do that. Come on now. You gotta get that though. Excuse me. The boat. All right, it's really the man cave, but you get the picture. Yeah. Oh, I'm forgetting something. Oh, here we go. Dippage. Dip. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Shit's so good. You a fool for that, boy. Oh, you a fool for that. You a fool for that. Yeah. That still had a little cheese in the leftoverage. It was cool out. Come on now. Don't do me in like that, B. Don't do me in like that, B. You see what I'm about to do to you. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I don't know what to tell you, B. This shit fire. Y'all can get out in the comment section and tell me what y'all doing through this whole life now. I was gonna talk about it, but I'm too high and I keep forgetting to do it. One thing I can remember to do is keep taking a bite of this gyro. That's it. It's the only thing I can remember right now. Dippage. Oh my God. On everything. Okay. It's just so good, or it was good. In case y'all ain't noticed, I like cheese and ketchup a lot. I put that shit on everything. You can put it on my wife if she'd let me, but she ain't get down like that, so. Boy, I don't know what to tell y'all. This shit was fire. On everything. Shit was fire. Look, check it out. If you like what you saw, man, there's gonna be plenty of this coming up. Cause shit, I like to eat, man. I like to get high. So why not get high and eat? And kick it with my people. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this your boy Ron Mac, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification. Goddamn. Fuck. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification. Shit. The notification. Goddamn, I'm gonna get this shit out in a minute. Alright, look, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, we gonna get busy, man. Get in the comment section and tell me what y'all want me to eat next. Cause I just show y'all how to eat a bunch of hood shit. When you get high and that shit go down good, be the best thing. Hold on. Motherfucker just kept calling my name, G. On everything, I got it. On everything. Okay. Shit's a hit, bro. Hit. Well, fine. Anyway, I'm out, man. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Alright? Peace.